If you dey look me koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you turn that gidigba on top of the Chairman television station them, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja, and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable. We go also add www.wazobiatv.tv/live for those when they watch us on top of online. I no go waste time. My name is Ezo Go Chokwote. I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabuel as they concern the political matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our wonderful viewers. We don't carry us the hot. Come again, and that program with at least give now up-to-date information about political activities where they happen for Nigeria. Today, on as usual, go day very interesting, and as one way we say, somehow, they really do it. They really hold the economy down. They really ensure somehow they affect one or two people. Or let me just say, a lot of Nigerians out there because now they define the state of our economy. We'll talk about the issue of budget and the approval. Today, we're going to go different. We'll also open our phone line so that at least our callers go feel call and also contribute. Better bear in mind. So we'll get 3 solid telephone lines for our 1 toll-free line. Toll-free line be saying I will call, I will talk, I will express themselves. But when it comes to the payment, okay, I leave that one for us. My name never see change. My name is Ankubi. And this now as Ide Hall.
Straight to the issue when we discuss now the 2016 budget and the 2 meetings when it happened yesterday for inside our Oga office, that is the office of the Oga Presido. Then we talk say for afternoon, they're supposed to get one meeting with all the principal members of the National Assembly. But based on say the Senate President in the answer like schoolboy for CCT, in the very, very absent for that particular meeting. The meeting lasts for only 30 minutes with the Speaker of the House of Representatives. Later for evening, they come gather, everybody they involved, and this one lasts for 10 minutes. After the meeting, they come and conduct, say, okay, well, based on the way things done there now, and the executive and the legislature, they don't rub mind together, they don't set up committees, we go look all the book to ensure, say, our 2016 budget, everything they correct. They come talk, say, hopefully by Friday, say everything go done ready, and the 2016 budget go ready, make them pass out. But people come the ask questions, say, this government, it be like, say, confusion don't set in since they enter inside office on the 29th of May 2015. Based on say they go give dates, they go even forget the date themselves. When you remind them, they go talk, say, no be this date we talk, now that other one we talk. People come the ask questions, say, do you need to set up a committee to review budget? Based on say, now una drop the budget, now una submit and give una self, now una check out. Why you be say una come add something or come out something? Plenty Nigerians, they ask questions. And me, they ask this question. I go give them to Unkubi.
Yeah, so the same question with virtually everybody ask because just like say committee upon committee, we know they see the result because this is how we say on top of waiting. Okay, we don't hear say okay, at least hopefully say by Friday say at least they go approve the budgeting, and on top of this hopefully we don't set up committee on both sides on the side of the executives and on the side of the legislatures so that make them look into this and ensure say at least they feel push up. But the issue is committee they set up now. What the committee won't do? The majority may say they make we understand the differences. Because if they talk, say, okay, budget delay, what be those things where they delay this budget? Because ordinarily, over time, we don't see past leaders where we say, the issue of budget, so they give the wahala. They will just do it and agree on certain terms, do it. Approve. What be that thing, go, where they delay this particular budget now? Of course, we see some cases of monkey hand entering in. But the monkey hand, we still say maybe somehow the door is open. So what be that way they hinder them now? I just hope, say, with this meeting where they hold, at least we will see a final whistle, a final blow. Say yes, so pum. This issue of budget, it don't come to an end. We don't approve them. We go approve them. We will take a move forward because it just like the budget case, they hold a lot of things down. A lot of outfits, a lot of companies, they will say they don't feel define their state now because of say budget. They never approve them. So I beg, make we just know what we do, make we ensure at least this will approve and make we they roll the economy and they roll the nation forward.
Unkubi, I'm very happy say you don't admit say this budget, the way when the team day now, say the team don't put this country at standstill, and I'm very, very happy say from all the things where you talk before 2015 general elections, say somehow you don't they swallow your words, you don't they change mouth.
You
swallow your words.
And they swallow
because I dare you on top of this program when I talk and say nobody go come here and they tell us say these people when they're part of, in fact where they even start from their crèche, political nursery, political secondary, political university. Some of them even go further, political masters for that same political party. They can't change now, can't come and tell us, see so when they're different. What is the difference from what we have now with what they play out before? No, tell me now, tell me. When we even see this April, don dey end already.
It don't end.
From April 1st, una carry the April full.
40 days for
Thank you very much for this month to end. And we still dey talk about 2016 budget, committee upon committee to resolve budget. Who do the budget? The executive. Who then give the budget to the legislature? Who controls the majority in the executive? The APC. Who runs the executive? The APC.
Let me ask you,
why the party dey divided against itself?
The question is, at least at this point in time, we don't know say this budget issue don't draw.
Now you just dey know. Now they just dey know. Now make them the set committee.
Allow me talk now.
And now they just dey set up
Allow
committee.
me talk. You don't do everything. Kick me, beat me up. Do everything possible to make sure to make an. What in all this one? See, you have said your point. Make me say talk my own.
Oh yeah, talk about the budget now. Make everybody hear because the time when you dey talk for 2015 before the election, they drag Goodluck Ebele Jonathan down. They blame am for everything wey happen for this country. You no talk like this. Continue. You have the floor. Talk about the budget now. Talk about
what
committee.
We don't talk about now.
What you don't talk?
We don't talk. Say they don't set up committee.
Which committee?
On both sides. Committee from the executive, committee from the legislature. They will look into the final passage of this issue at least. They will feel sent to them on time. Rather than.
What is the major problem in the budget?
Listen.
No. What is the major problem in the budget? You dey set up committee to do wetin?
Look, listen.
You dey set up committee to do wetin?
Listen.
They say they put something inside budget. They say they comot am. Who put am? Who comot am? You dey set up committee. It is no rocket science. You don't need Ababio. You don't need further maths. You don't need new general mathematics to solve this particular problem.
Listen.
Monkey hand dey inside. And una wey dey claim say na only turkey una dey chop. Una wey dey claim say we don see say the kind meat wey una dey chop na dangerous meat. Na dangerous meat.
Make we no dey talk this matter as if we dey chop yam wey bone dey inside. Make we make am.
I know the kind yam wey dey chop. You might be chopping imported yam. Yes, you might be chopping imported yam.
Imported from where?
Thank you very much.
No, imported from where? Because we don't say virtually everything wey dey our country na imported.
Even the budget is what?
I don't know if the budget is important.
Thank you very much. Under a government of change.
I can't assign to that, say budget feed day, but I don't know, but well, our own is to just review the budget, ensure say they pass the budget, and they make economy feel move, make Nigerians feel they move about their own businesses, make we know what they define.
You are trying to play down this situation. I will not allow you to escape with this.
What am I playing
Thank
now?
you. You dey make you.
No. Wait, hold on. When I first talk here, I analyze the matter. You can't even give me thumbs up. Serious thumbs up. Say I even talk such way they see. So what is the dribbling thing we say at the try avoid?
Make I tell you, Nkubi, no matter how voice takes sweet, you know if he cover the smell of mess.
No, you never.
You remember you take that? We talk say
if
the economy.
If mess differ from mess.
Thank you. You know your mess.
There are messes. You know your mess. The smell in the first place.
You know your mess.
You also know your own.
That's what this budget is looking like. Mess
don't play around it.
Mess will not get sound.
Don't play around it.
Mess will not get sound, but the thing they smell well.
No,
that's what it is.
If you say that mess, you say not even get smell at all.
Listen to yourself. You say
you don't get smell.
Our economy, we need the budget. Now you go move everything. Now you go move. You use sweet voice, talk out, make it be like say, you know how many, what are you saying? Talk this situation the way when the thing dey. The economy, the thing, who people for neck like this?
Just as I admitted to that.
That was not what you said.
I admitted to
you come there and say, we know say the economy, you know, we need the budget, make them pass them. Companies know.
I talk say, look,
you have to tell it as it is in black and white.
They help people die, they help people to ransom. People don't feel define their they don't feel define the state of their money for their company.
Thank you.
They don't feel define the state of the money they want to spend for their company.
Thank
and
you.
all that. Because of say they never approve budget. I said it here. So what nigga with me at all?
The way where you take talker. Now the problem with me I get that.
Hold on.
Because you talking like say it's not an issue. It's a small something.
Chukudi, look this place today. Look this place. Do I look like your guest? Don't you ever ask me questions as if I'm your guest? We are here to analyze matter. No, you don't respect yourself. Let me respect myself.
You cannot exonerate yourself.
Exonerate?
Because as a man, I answered all the questions. During the elections.
Exactly. As a man, I am answering the questions as we speak.
When you tell me, say, make I not ask you question. How are you answering the question?
Am I not providing answers to questions?
Okay, Nkubi. Now, provide answer to Nigerians.
I never asked you
questions. How can setting up a committee on the part of the executive and a committee on the part of the legislature resolve this crisis?
Maybe because of, say...
The things when they inside this crisis, this budget when they cause crisis, they don't come out.
Maybe now
they resolve it.
Maybe they want
a government of maybe. See yourself. A government of maybe. A silent government. Everything underground. You said it on Monday. No, you said it yourself.
What?
The government is underground. The government is silent. You don't have another one. Silent, underground, maybe. Silent, underground, maybe.
Listen. Now, Minister of Information talk that one, not me.
Thank you. But you reiterated what he said. You reiterated what he said.
The government is working underground to address a particular matter.
And this budget is also what? Underground. Continue.
You know whether the underground matter of this budget, maybe since the say monkey and don't extend it, don't come in, don't come enter underground and trust at least, they could do a sort at least, they will feel approval on time.
When Oga President, not even talk approval on time, not use time, not use approve, not join them together in a sentence.
Okay.
When Oga President submits this budget, December 23rd,
okay,
we were all here.
Yes.
January 23rd, February 23rd,
second month,
March 23rd,
third month,
April 23rd,
fourth month,
maybe May 23rd.
No, we don't go see him.
No, we don't go see him.
Well, we know that speed that.
We know they anticipate.
We see. Listen.
April 7, first scarcity continue, but we no continue.
Chukudi, I'm bear in mind.
My name not the answer.
Chukudi, bear in mind.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Ibeka Chuku say. See, don't put me.
No.
Don't try to put me.
No.
No matter how I could exonerate myself.
It go hard for you.
No matter how I could exonerate myself, I could free myself from any question we bring up.
Who could be every angle when I don't carry you go. You need Google Map to escape.
How?
We see the discuss fuel scarcity issue for you.
Okay.
Chuku.
Okay. So
Solomon.
the minister of petroleum, minister of state for petroleum, talk say look, say they don't approve and say very soon now, say the some refineries. What's the meaning of all this?
How my reaction they get to do with your question? No, continue. Some refineries. Some refineries.
Say very soon they will start to work effectively.
Then go very soon. Hey! Oh.
Would they talk based on what their leaders they talk?
Who could be? We are finished.
I'm not finished.
We are finished.
I am not finished.
If you know ourselves first, say we don't finish. You are not telling yourself the truth.
I'm a man of faith.
A faith.
And I'm a man that believes in change.
A change.
We'll never finish.
A change when they not tell us say na faith we go use accept them.
We'll never finish.
Hi. Who could be? Do you know who?
We'll never finish at all.
Do you know who you are like?
Don't describe me with anybody here. No. Please. Hold on.
Even President Muhammadu Buhari.
I don't want because your description they ever fit me. You never for what's your life. For what's your life get better description for me.
What of with President Obama?
Hold it. Just hold it there.
What of our Lord Jesus Christ?
I don't trust you.
Hey.
See, if you come from this angle, I'm going to check you. View you, take every material, every accessory, so if you check whether na you true. Before I go approve to them.
You see, say this your reaction now.
This
way they react now. Now so Nigerians they react to this government.
Okay.
You see why?
Okay.
You see, say I talk say I won't compare you to. You say you before I even talk, you tell me say no.
Because Nigerians know your own comparison as the take be.
Nigerians know how our politicians dey. How our politicians dey. Those wey chop belleful from 1999 reach 2015, they come decide say the one wey they don't chop, the thing on the purge. Now make them go comot am, come continue because they'll be born again.
Because somehow, yeah, well, I know dispute to that. And now wetin dey play out somehow. It play out. We know that one say somehow they go chop finish.
Oga Friday from Obalende go fire you. 1-0.
Go fire you. Oga Friday is not here for me. He is here for us. He's a Nigerian.
Oga Friday, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Friday. Will they hear Oga Friday talk to us?
Aside Hot.
Yes.
Oga Friday, will they hear you?
To us.
But I live a small thing. This is how this government be like this. Now canal we won't enter.
No, we don't go enter canal. We no dey pray for that one at all. We no dey pray to enter canal. We dey move forward.
Now who's forward? Oh, they move. They don't. They go 1 year now. Never see anything.
But they still get another additional 3 years. Why they carry him
May
for
29 now it go complete 1 year now.
Why they carry him for year?
At least the whole people is suffering now. Everywhere they rest like this. So.
How the budget they take affect you, Oga Friday?
Man, in many ways though.
How? Just give us instances.
Every way. If you go market now, you go things all cost. What's it cost out? No money.
Thank you. Thank you. Oga Friday, as he be say you dey Nigeria, you fit tell am when he come from Cameroon. When he come from Cameroon, how you go dey ask Nigeria say how the budget take dey affect am?
Na bad question I
tell us how.
I ask that question
because you are from Togo, you are from Chad, you are from Madagascar.
Make we go break.
You need that break. If not, the kind of thing what I for do you this morning.
Chukudi.
You.
Make we go break it. You don't do it.
if you know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.